Welcome back to another inspiring video of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Whether you're a woodworker pro or just starting, today's idea is stylish and fun. Today we will show you a collection of profitable and hottest woodworking projects design ideas for entrepreneurs. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Stepping into the world of woodworking as an entrepreneur is like crossing a threshold, not just into a workspace filled with sawdust and tools, but into a life where craftsmanship and business blend seamlessly. At the heart of this journey lies an incredible truth, that making something with your hands can become both a profitable venture and a deeply meaningful way of living. Profitable woodworking isn't just about trends or mass production. It's about identifying the sweet spot where creativity, function, and sustainability intersect. For the aspiring craftsperson, the opportunity to turn passion into profit is not only real, it's thriving. Today, the hottest woodworking projects aren't driven solely by consumer demand. They're powered by a cultural movement. People want to bring back authenticity, durability, and beauty into their homes and lives. This cultural shift has opened the door for woodworkers to create items that don't just fill space, they enrich it. From minimalistic floating shelves to rustic farmhouse tables, from clever storage solutions to intricate wooden art, customers are willing to invest in pieces that carry a human touch, a story, and a promise of lasting value. This is where the entrepreneurial woodworker shines, creating meaningful products with a sense of purpose and permanence. At the core of every successful woodworking business is the decision to start with intention. No matter how small the workshop or how basic the tools, what truly matters is the craftsman's mindset. Woodworking, by nature, requires patience and care, qualities that translate directly into a trustworthy product. When an entrepreneur brings this same attitude into their business strategy, they begin to cultivate not just items for sale, but a reputation for quality. And in the handmade world, reputation is currency. What's exciting is how accessible this path has become. With the rise of digital marketplaces like Etsy, Instagram shops, and direct-to-consumer platforms, woodworkers no longer have to depend on traditional storefronts or high-end gallery exposure. A single viral video showcasing a clever, beautifully made piece of furniture can generate thousands of sales, followers, and lifelong customers. These platforms also allow woodworkers to tell their story, connecting with buyers who are not just purchasing a table or wall art, but becoming part of a larger vision, one that respects nature, design, and the human spirit. One of the most profitable areas for woodworking entrepreneurs is custom work. The modern consumer craves personalization, especially when it comes to home decor and furniture. A handmade product can be tailored to fit unique spaces and styles, something mass-produced items can rarely offer. Whether it's a reclaimed wood dining table with a family name carved into the edge, or a custom bookshelf designed to fit an oddly shaped wall, these projects are not only higher in perceived value, but they also command premium pricing. The process may take more time, but the return on investment in both money and customer loyalty is immense. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Equally profitable are small, scalable projects that can be reproduced efficiently without compromising quality. These might include cutting boards with engraved messages, wooden coasters featuring regional maps, minimalist desk organizers, or wall-mounted plant holders. Each of these offers a low barrier to entry and allows for experimentation with design and marketing. They're also the perfect gateway products to attract new customers and lead them to larger, custom commissions down the road. Many woodworking businesses find their rhythm by starting with these kinds of items, testing the market, refining their craft, and gradually expanding their offerings. Sustainability is also an increasingly central part of this equation. Eco-conscious consumers are actively seeking products that align with their values. Woodworkers who repurpose materials, whether it's salvaged barn wood, downed trees, or discarded furniture, are tapping into a market hungry for sustainability without sacrificing style. Upcycled wooden pieces are not only environmentally responsible, they're often more beautiful, with natural age and wear adding character that can't be manufactured. This fusion of green values with aesthetic appeal is a powerful formula for business success in today's market. More than that, woodworking offers a lifestyle that many entrepreneurs crave: balance, fulfillment, and independence. Working with wood requires being present. It slows you down. It gives you permission to focus on one thing at a time. That rhythm, measure, cut, sand, join finish is meditative. For entrepreneurs looking to build not just a business but a life, woodworking delivers both meaning and mindfulness. It lets people create a life of purpose without sacrificing financial goals. It's also a community. Woodworkers often start solo, but quickly find themselves part of a vibrant network of makers, designers, customers, and storytellers. Workshops become gathering places. Online forums become idea incubators. Collaborations lead to new designs, fresh audiences, and cross-promotion. And in this sharing of knowledge, tools, and experience, everyone grows. A profitable woodworking journey isn't a lonely road. It's one lined with mentors, apprentices, and kindred spirits who share a deep respect for creation. The threshold into profitable woodworking is not reserved for experts. You don't need a massive shop or decades of experience to begin. What you do need is clarity about your values, your market, and your vision. Start with one project. Listen to feedback. Learn continuously. And above all, stay true to what makes your work meaningful to you. The market may be competitive, but there is always room for quality, sincerity, and passion. In the end, profitable woodworking is not just a business model. It's a craft of human connection. Every piece of wood carries a story, from the tree it came from to the hands that shape it, to the home it finds. For the entrepreneurial craftsperson, that journey is both their product and their purpose. And when that purpose aligns with profit, sustainability, and beauty, the result is something far more valuable than income. It's impact. It's legacy. It's a life well crafted. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable and hottest woodworking projects design ideas for entrepreneurs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.